How to track your location using Google account or Gmail account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google or Gmail account. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on manage your Google account. Now tap on data and privacy tab. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on timeline. Now scroll down. Now simply tap on turn on. Now scroll down and tap on turn on. Now simply tap on got it. Now go back to the home screen. Now to track your timeline or location history, simply open up Google Maps on your device. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on your timeline. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.